The form title video on how to set default value for your elements. Now there are some times where the users don't know the value and you want to give them a pre-existing value if they don't come up with their own. So that's where default value comes handy. I'll give you an example here. Let's just call this field sector. Let's say you want to know, actually let's just call it source. Let's say you have a leads object and you want to know where the source comes from, or you want your users to specify what the source is. Now, if they don't know where it's come from, and by default you want to say, okay, well, if they don't know, then I'm just going to set this as form title as my source. You can do that by adding the value in your default value. So if I save and preview, users can now go, okay, well, I know where the source is. Google. They can type in Google or Facebook if they want. However, if they can't find anything, then the default value will be form title. So that's where it all comes handy, and it works for pretty much any different element that you have. You can grab a text area. So I've got a text area here. Even a price area. Pricing, it might come handy as well. Let's just delete this and move this up a bit. Okay, so if we move over here, for example, if someone's buying a subscription or a membership and they don't know what the default value should be, you can just say, you know what, default value is 1,000, and even in a text area, you can say default value in here. Enter default value. So that's where you would enter your default value if you have one. And if you have a use case that requires a default value, you just click on the element itself. And then under the basic, you've got an option called default value. This is where you can add a default value if you wish for any of these videos. Any of these elements. So that's how it's done. That's where you add a default value. And thank you for watching this video.